Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Liana from Barbie and the Diamond Castle on Dress to Impress. You do need some VIP items, for instance the harp and the crown, but the rest you don't need it, and you can wear any shoes you'd like to, of course. I'm just going to remove everything except for the necklaces and the hair because I did use accessory adjustments on it. For the hair, I use this one in this blonde color. Wait, let me just change the eyes up a little. Okay. I used this one in this blonde color, and these adjustments: position the Y 0.46, Z 0.44, rotate the X and Y to 0.52 and scale to 0.47. And then I used this wavy hair in the back toggle, positioned the Z at 0.54, and then turn off the flowers too. For the crown, I did use a VIP item, but you can replace it with the other crown. It's just not going to look the same. Color it 9461B8 and 62407A. And the second one, I did use a glitter material. In the first toggle, position the Y to 0.59, Z 0.49, and scale to 0.37. Then for the orange gem in the middle, it looks from the side, but from the front it looks good. I colored it CD6B15 in glitter and 9361B8. Position the X to 0.41, Y 0.88, Z 0.47. Rotate the Y to 0.6, Z 0.53. For the necklace, I used this. I'm going to change the pink color though in C5A1E. It's in the dressing rooms, and FFD80. I think I'm just going to make this a little bit more pink here and maybe in foil. Then for the other necklace, I used this one in C4A1ED 503463, and I'll do the same like light purple color. First toggle, position the Y at 0.54 and rotate the X to 0.53. For the outfit, you don't need any VIP items for this. You'll just need the witch set here in, I think, this color first, 8911 6B in glitter, and then that again in glitter, and then I used this color AD1C6E, and then this orange CD6C16. For the sleeves, I used this one in sleeves only in this color, 81, I think I did this actually, DC238C in glitter, and then I did the like darker pink again. For the skirt, let's use this one in this color first, 89116B in glitter, and then glitter again in that orange in glitter. Grab this skirt from World Cultures Day and only skirt in this color. Yeah, this color. And then this one in that color in glitter as well. For the shoes, you can use anything. I'll actually use the one from the Valentine's Day area, which is a free shoe here. Color it this purple and orange. Lastly, for the harp, this is a VIP item. It's not super necessary, but select this purple color, C5A1EE, and then this darker one. And then I colored the gem this green. I swore I saved it, but apparently I didn't. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!